Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick comparison between Wise Business and Revolut Business accounts. So this will help you choose the best platform for international transfers, currency exchange, and business banking in 2025. So for the overview, Wise Business, it has low fees and transparent exchange rates and international focus. For Revolut, it has multiple multi-currency account and built-in expense management. Now, for the core features, Wise has global bank transfers, batch payments, and accounting integrations, while Revolut has corporate cards, expense tracking, and multi-user access. Now, for the fees comparison, Wise pay only for transfer fee and a small percentage, while Revolut has subscriptions plan and some fees for currency conversions. For ease of use, Wise has simple dashboard and minimal setup, while Revolut is full-featured and slightly more complex for some users. So if you frequently do international transfers, then you should choose Wise. But if you have a multi-featured business banking, then you should choose Revolut. And yeah, that's the comparison between Wise Business and Revolut Business. Choose the platform that fits your business needs and workflow. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.